Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using Postman collections with no-code backends, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable using Postman collections with no-code backends, start by launching Postman on your device. Next, create a new collection by clicking on the New button in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Collection to start defining your API endpoints. Give your collection a descriptive name to easily identify it later. You can also add a brief description to outline the purpose of the collection. After that, start adding requests to your collection by clicking the Add Request button. For each request, ensure you specify the request type, such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Then, enter the URL of your no-code backend into the request field. If your no-code platform requires authentication, navigate to the Authorization tab within the Request Setup. Choose the appropriate authentication method and enter the required credentials. Once your request is set up, add any necessary headers by going to the Headers tab. In the Headers section, input the key and value pairs needed for your API call. For POST requests, switch to the Body tab to include any data you plan to send. Choose the format that your no-code backend accepts, such as JSON or form data. After setting up the body, save the request to your collection. Repeat the process for each API endpoint you need to connect to your no-code backend. Once your collection is complete, you can run all requests in sequence using the Runner feature. Customize the runner settings, such as the iteration count and delay, before starting the execution. Observe the results and debug any issues directly within the Postman interface. If required, utilize Postman's environment variables to manage dynamic values, like API keys or user IDs. Create environment variables in the Environment section to switch contexts easily between different setups. With your requests properly configured, you can now explore the functionality of your no-code backend efficiently. Finally, consider sharing your collection with teammates by exporting it or using Postman's collaboration features. This complete setup allows for streamlined interactions with your no-code backend using Postman collections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.